Introducing SnapSeal. SnapSeal by Eurotech is an innovative wire harness sealing product line designed to enhance wiring assembly processes. Featuring a gel-filled clamshell, SnapSeal instantly seals wires, splices, and terminals during harness assembly. SnapSeal significantly boosts operational efficiency by removing the need for heat recovery equipment, thereby reducing floor space and energy consumption. This reduction in equipment footprint translates into increased plant efficiency and sustainability, alongside lowered capital expenditure. SnapSeal's engineered materials deliver exceptional mechanical protection. The hard-shell clamshell design prevents poke-through failures, while the interior is lined with a highly engineered acrylic adhesive gel that offers outstanding moisture protection. SnapSeal ensures splices are precisely centered and compensates for any welding imperfections. Additionally, it prevents excess adhesive dripping and prevents splices from sticking together after processing. SnapSeal boasts a sleek, low-profile design that uses simple snap and seal hand assembly with a tactile response to confirm proper closure. Its application process reduces cycle time by more than 50% compared to standard heat shrink methods. SnapSeal is versatile enough to integrate into assembly boards, splicing stations, and automated systems. Designed to operate in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius. SnapSeal exhibits excellent chemical resistance to automotive fluids. It is engineered to meet the demanding quality standards of OEMs, providing a reliable and robust sealing solution. SnapSeal streamlines quality assurance by eliminating redundant splice seal testing, requiring only a single qualification. It is available in multiple configurations, with many custom configurations also available to meet any unique application requirements. For more product information and case studies, visit www.eurotechdirect.com/snapseal.